Hello, I'm Krish. The question is, if price decreases by 25%, by what percentage should consumption increase so that the expenditure does not increase? We know that expenditure is price into consumption. If an equation of the form x is equal to y into z has been given and y changes by a% and z changes by b%, then net change in x will be a plus b plus a into b by 100. In the question it has been given that price decreases by 25%. That is, a is minus 25 and let b be x. That is, the consumption increases by x%. Now we know that the expenditure does not change. This implies that net change is 0. Therefore we have minus 25 plus x minus 25 into x by 100 equal to 0, which gives minus 25 plus x minus x by 4 equal to 0, which implies 3x by 4 is equal to 25, or x is equal to 100 by 3, which is 33.33%. Hence, the consumption increases by 33.33%. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Krishbu. The question is, if speed increases by 33.33%, what is the percentage reduction in the time taken to travel the same distance? We know that distance is equal to speed into time. If we have an equation of the form x is equal to y into z, where y changes by a% and z changes by b%, then net change in x is given by a plus b plus ab by 100. Therefore, from the question where it has been given that speed increases by 33.33%, we get a as 33.33, which can also be written as 100.3, and let b be minus x, that is, the time decreased by minus x%. It has been given that the distance remains same, that is, the net change is 0. Therefore we have 100 by 3 minus x into 100 by 3 into 100 is equal to 0, which gives 100 by 3 minus 4x by 3 equal to 0, which further implies x is 25. That is, the time taken reduces by 25%. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, two successive discounts of 8 and 10% would be equal to a single discount of. We know that when two variables are increased or decreased by given percentages, say A% and B%, then the net percentage change is given as A plus B plus A into B by 100. Using this concept to solve the question, we get A as -8 because here the value decreases as it has been provided with discounts. Similarly, B will be -10 and hence the net change will be -8 minus 10 plus 8 into 10 by 100, that will be -18 plus 0.8, which will be -17.2. that implies a net discount of 17.2%. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, X first increased by 5% and then decreased by 8%. The final value is what percent less than X? We know that if a variable X undergoes a change of A% and B% successively, the net change is given by A plus B plus AB by 100%. Therefore, in this question we have A as 5 and B as -8. So, the net change will be 5 minus 8 minus 5 into 8 by 100, which will be equal to -3 minus 0.4, that is -3.4, and hence the final value will be 3.4 plus 1, that is 4.4% less than the original value. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, if after two successive increases of 10% and 8%, the price of a commodity is rupees 2,376, what was the original price? We know that if a variable X undergoes a change of A% and B% successively, then the net change is given as A plus B plus AB by 100. Let the original price be X. Therefore, A will be 10 and B will be 8. So, net change will be 10 plus 8 plus 10 into 8 by 100, which comes out to be 18.8%. That is, the price undergoes an increase of 18.8%. it has been given that after the increase, the price becomes 2376. So, after increase, the value will be 100 plus 18.8 by 100 into x, that's equal to 2376, or 1.188x is equal to 2376, which implies x is equal to rupees 2000. Hence, the original price of the commodity was rupees 2000. Thank you.